How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. If you're facing a fairly lower sound on your speaker on your iPhone, there could be different causes for this. The first thing is we just want to confirm with our volume button and make sure we have not muted the media volume. Sometimes it could just be that you might have muted the media volume. That is why the sound is actually being audible in a quite lower volume. The second thing that we're going to check is with our settings application. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, make sure that you have not enabled the silent mode, and here you can also turn on ringtone and alerts. One thing that we can also do is scroll down to the bottom, select the option called Volume Limit and tap on it. Here you can see the option that says Limit Maximum Volume is currently enabled, which means this setting is going to limit the maximum amount of volume that your iPhone's speaker can emit. So what you want to do is just turn off this toggle and make sure it is grayed out and try to restart your iPhone and see if that helps you. If not, there could have been any dust or debris or some type of water that might have got to your iPhone's speaker, so you might want to check it with a local repair center. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.